Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Pekoik and I work for Roadmap Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up PackBot with Hyper-V Virtual Machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your virtual machine and run Raypak Studio Tools for Hyper-V. I'll run through really fast. And it's installed. And now you're going to want to come down here and you're going to check and see if it can connect back to your normal machine. Alright, connect our UNC, and we'll also make sure that it can ping it. And there you go, good ping it also. Alright, now we're going to go over to our other machine and make sure that it can ping back to this. Alright, and here we are on a machine with Raypak on it, and we'll see if it can connect our UNC. Yeah, it can, and now let's make sure it can ping it. And it can. Alright, now we can open it up, PackBot, and start setting up our virtual machine. Alright, now that we have a Raypak open, we're going to come over here to Settings, down to Virtual Machines, and hit the plus sign. Now we're going to add a Hyper-V, and we're going to put in this is the name that's the display name for us. And now we're going to give it the actual computer's name that we're trying to connect to, our virtual machine, which happens to be the exact same thing that I typed in up there. And now we're going to put in our credentials. Make sure if you have a domain that you put the domain in the beginning here. And now that you put your credentials in, we're going to come up here to host. And we're going to have to put in the host address or the host name. And yet again, you have to put in your credentials. Alright, now that you're done putting in your credentials, we'll come back over here to virtual guest, and we're going to come over here. Before starting the virtual machine, revert to the following snapshot. And we click the three dots to see if we can find any of the snapshots. And again, which means that it's connected up to our virtual machine properly. I prefer to use the last snapshot, so I'm actually going to click that again and make sure you hit the save button. Alright, and now we're ready to click on PackBot. Alright, so let's add a package. We're going to be using FileZilla as an example today. And once you add your packages, this machine is going to pop up. PackBot's going to automatically pull out the silent command for you. So for FileZilla, it's pretty simple. It's just switch S. And we're going to come over to virtual machines, and we're going to select our virtual machine that we just set up, which was RMT Win10 TST01. And that we selected. If you need to add anything else, like the exit code for logging, you can over here. And if you want to delay the second snapshot to go in and do any configuring, you can by clicking this check mark right here. We don't want it to reboot after installation, so we're going to say never. And our target format that we're going to be packaging into is an MSI. Hit apply, close, and next. Now it's going to try and verify that our virtual machine is connecting, and it is. And come in here, any changes that we need to make. This is the folder that it's going to save our package to when it's done on the main machine. And everything we're scanning for. And our rules right here, so if we want to be more aggressive and filter out some more OS versions in there, we can. but we're just going to leave it as is and process. Alright, this is going to take a few minutes as it tries to package on the Hyper-V virtual machine, so I'll skip through this and I'll see you on the other side. And here's an important thing. The package is still trying to be created, but since we didn't turn off UAC, this is going to pop up on our virtual machine. So to make sure this doesn't happen, turn off UAC before starting PackBot. Just going to hit yes and it'll continue on. If you don't come over here and hit yes if you have UAC on, then the package will fail to create because it didn't get the permission it needs to. Alright, so I'm going to let the thing bake a little longer and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, and our package is finally done. So we're going to come here and we're going to hit finish. And now we're just going to go to the file location that it was stored at. And here it is. We have our fully functional Windows installer. Alright, and that's everything I wanted to show you for PackBot and how to set it up. And have a great day.